Consolidating credit card debt is part of credit repair. Introduction. At some time in our lives, many of us overspend. Credit is readily available, and sometimes we need to take action and stop spending before we do serious damage to our credit rating. Consolidating credit card debts is a part of credit repair. This is now a problem in all first world countries where easy access to credit and often low interest rates make it easier to borrow and spend using credit cards. Consolidating credit card debt is part of credit repair. If you decide to consolidate your credit, it enables you to combine all the debts that you owe into one monthly payment. This simplifies the process, as instead of several creditors, you now only have one monthly bill. Benefits of credit card consolidation. You get to pay off your debt at a lower interest rate. Combining the debts re-ages your account, meaning your account is active for as long as you continue to make the agreed payments. Credit consolidation allows you to avoid late fees and to only pay what you owe. Debt consolidation buys you time to either pay back what you owe fast or more slowly, depending on your commitments. Credit card consolidation loan. Once you understand the process of debt consolidation, you may want to pay your loan off quickly. You may decide it is the right time to seek a higher paid job or even to take a second job. Reducing your expenses and outgoings, or even selling your car may be the answer. Whatever you do to raise some extra money, don't forget to pay your debt consolidation account on time, as it is important not to miss a payment. Your debt consolidation plan buys you time to decide how you want to progress in the future. How to apply for a debt consolidation loan. When you take a debt consolidation loan, before signing you need to compare interest rates and decide what is the best deal for you. You should be able to find a loan with 0% balance transfer offer and 0 interest for 12 months. So this is why it is important to start paying the loan off fast, so that you make the most of this time. Any balance remaining after this introductory period is up would revert to the card's previous rate. There are programs to compare credit card repayment savings at creditcard.com. Plus many others. You can actually save a lot of interest and even be debt-free at the end of the introductory period. If you are a young person living in a flat and eating out a lot, it may be worth giving up the flat and going home to mom and dad for 1 year, as this would probably get rid of the debt. Once you notice that you owe less money, you are on the way to consolidation. Reducing credit card debt is part of credit repair. The sooner this is completed, the better for you, as you don't want to be stuck in this process for too long. Improve your credit score. You can do this by using a personal finance monitoring system that allows consumers to monitor their own credit scores. Try Credit Karma, as the company makes money from advertising sales and not from you. 2 or 3 credit agencies directly report the Credit Karma scores and are fairly accurate, although nothing can be 100%, and if you notice discrepancies in your rating that you feel are unjust, you will need to address them. So when you use the Credit Karma website, it will enable you to track progress and any changes to your credit. Credit Karma is a rapidly growing company, and the good thing is that the credit scores are becoming more accurate. Credit Karma uses 2 of the major reporting bureaus. They are TransUnion and Equifax, and uses VantageScore, another model, separately. The site's goal has 2 purposes. It encourages action to improve your credit score, needed by many. It also helps you to save money. The credit score simulator will do all the work for you, displaying moves that might trigger changes to your credit score. It may stop you from applying for that extra credit card limit increase when you see the possible consequences. There are other tools to help with refinancing and debt repayment. The company does not sell your data to other sites, and this is good news. How you can raise your credit score. Check your credit report. Pay all bills on time. If you are in collections, pay it off. Catch up on all bill payments. Lower credit card balance to around 50% maximum. Pay off as much debt as possible. Make sure your credit score is accurate. Don't apply for more than 2 or 3 credit cards. Use a variety of credit types to build your score. Don't move house and change jobs too often, this is seen as unreliable. Create a relationship with your bank. It is a good idea to appear reliable and consistent to lenders. Check the site every week to see how your credit score is tracking. Improving your loan opportunities when accessing credit. Once you have paid off your combined credit card debt, you may want to apply for a home loan. Now that you have fixed your credit score, doing this soon will be entirely possible because you have diligently undertaken credit repair. All you need is a deposit for a home to proceed, so keep saving while cash rates are still low, as you will want the best home loan. Conclusion: consolidating credit card debts is a part of credit repair, is very important, and if you can improve your credit score at the same time, it is all part of the credit repair process. After a year of focusing on your credit card repayments, you may find that your debt is paid off. When this happens, it is a great feeling to be able to move forward with your life again, with a lot more knowledge about credit repair.